30 millimeter, and they go there. They're not tight at all. You just kind of barely get them on there. So I wrote down the order, changing the wires. All right. Clean her up a little bit. Get those spark plugs out. Let's get her done. All right, I'm gonna get this gasket out of there and get her all cleaned up. I used a hair dryer to get these hot, but this one still split. Got me another one. The hair dryer was supposed to heat it up, but it didn't work. It did, but it still split. Alright, so I would just put a board here and pop her up, give her a little pot, and she comes right off.